easy to accomplish.
I sell the morning paper, sir. My name is Jimmy Brown. Everybody knows that
I'm here today at the 46th Annual Newport News Fall Festival in Newport News Park. And the Friends of the Lee Hall train station are manning the pumpkin patch. This is our 6th year doing it. We're having a grand time. Pumpkins galore for sale. The festival is just a joyous autumn occasion. In addition to the pumpkin patch, there are all sorts of vendors with crafts, food, entertainments, heritage crafts as well. It's just a grand day to celebrate autumn and being in the great outdoors in Newport News Park.
my daddy died a drunkard, sir. Heard my mama say. Now I'm helping mama, sir, to steer me on my way. I've often heard my mother say there's nothing in the world to lose. I'll get a place in heaven, sir, to spread the gospel news. Oh, never mind, sir, how I look. Don't look at me and frown. I said to the morning paper, sir, my name is Jimmy Brown. I'm awful cold and hungry, sir.
You put your bait in this hole right here. That's what I'm doing, is covering that up so the bait can't get out. Put your bait.
Live bait?
No.
No?
Use menhaden or, no, you don't use chicken. Not knees.
Chicken eggs?
We belong to the Tidewater Basket Guild, and so we're all doing a different type of weaving.
Oh, yeah. Are you local?
That's what we're doing. We're out trying to show all the people that they can do this, and we have open to the public classes that people can come and we'll show them how to weave a basket, because a lot of people don't understand. It's not that difficult. You can do it, you know. So, and she's got a big jug over here that you can put flowers in or anything. And her basket over there is what they call random weave. So that's what we do, and we all enjoy it and have a bunch of wonderful women too.
Rings in the locks of your hair.
It's going to be just a small bowl, so it doesn't need to be real wide. And each time I pull up, it's a finger on the inside against a finger on the outside.
Disco watching chain love.